YouTube, it's your boy MoparTe, and I'm back with another POV. As you can see, man, it's been so long since I did want to deal with y'all, but your boy's back. Y'all know I'm headed to work right now, so I just had to pull into a little parking spot real quick so we can get going. And this one, I'm gonna give y'all no commentary, and I'm gonna swim through traffic today. You feel me? There might not be that much traffic on the road, but I'm gonna do my best. I am going to a different location today because I work at a different spot. So this will be my first time with y'all seeing me drive to my workplace. But yeah, you already know how we do. Drive modes. Fuck eco. We're gonna go on the sport today. We're gonna chill, go to sport. Not really chill, but yeah, we're in that type of mode. Y'all ready? Let's get to it. So, I'm coming. Look it down. Hey, y'all know, y'all are probably like, how he got this angle and stuff. As y'all know, I'm holding it in my hand right now. I still ain't came out with a way to do this yet, but hey, it is what it is. I'm just trying to give y'all the best content, you feel me? Gotta wait in this damn line. It look like it's about to start raining too, so we might get some rain in this POV. That's kind of lit. Them pops on the back so hard. Oh, it is raining, y'all. That's 12 right now. Yeah, no. slow as hell today. Bro, I feel like I need to tint my windows way more. Like, I know they be tinted, but these shits is like, bro, these shits is still light as hell, bro. I don't really like it like that, for real. I'm steering wheel too hard. Yeah, it's a little bit better. That would have been nasty. Oh my God. Trailer in the way. Why are we stopping? What? I swear people cannot drive, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. Hey, while y'all swimming in traffic, if y'all y'all gotta be smart. Like you know, a Charger ain't that like small of a car either. So like spaces like that, like I could get through, but like why risk it? Feel me? Oh, I lied. Mind these big ass nobody want to drive fast. They don't want me to be great, man. There's 12 pulling up behind me. That's not. I hate cars like that because you be thinking it's 12 all the time. Oh my God, traffic hell today. Could be. Come on. Look at that Mustang right there. I do not like soft tops at all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro, what the hell? What's up with folks, bro? Well, this some Final Destination type shit. Like, what the fuck? I gotta get the hell up out of here. Yeah, thank you. Why the fuck would you stop like that? Are you fucking kidding me? I still got some time before I got to go to work, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fly past work. But that's why I work at. Look at that Tesla motherfucker right there. Ain't no shit. That's somebody's grandparents. Traffic so hell, boy. I can't even do nothing for it. I was swimming a little bit though. That's on the fire. Hey, I've been watching a lot of that Tesla right there. I've been watching a lot of Sneeze videos. I don't know if y'all know what it is. I think it's like a most wanted driver in New York or some shit. Like, he's so fire. Like, I mean, I don't condone it for real, but like, you know, I'm trying to, but like, bro be going crazy, like 120 weaving in and out of traffic is crazy, bro. So yeah, that's really what like inspired the video type shit. I just wanted to do it. Really, like, traffic ain't too crazy right now. He be on the real highway. I'm just on like a little road right now. But I'm gonna go try it on the highway though. You know, not gonna do nothing stupid, but you feel me? Like, I'm gonna get some good content for y'all, man. Some different type POVs instead of just driving around, you feel me? Like, this one's supposed to be like no commentary type shit. Just let y'all drive, man. But y'all already know. Y'all know what it is, man. Damn big Nissan beat, boat. Let's get the moving in. You want to speed up like you was there? Yeah. Come on in. Do something. What I'm talking about. Get to it then. That sounds right though. shit, that damn front right there. Come on, swim. Alright, let's go ahead and spin back to work, man. I think I can donut right here? Hell no. I mean, I could possibly if I was up closer. Yeah, my damn thing failed and shit. My damn gaming chair. They must be moving or something. Yeah. Bro, I want to get one of those, them, steering wheels, bro. Them other ones, I be seeing people put those on, bro. Them joints are fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie, them things trim. For real. I want to get one of those. I really want to change this, but I ain't trying to spend too much bread on this car because y'all know I want to get a Hellcat. That is the goal, to get a Hellcat. Then y'all know I want to get Hellcat, either a track or a Hellcat Durango, you feel me? And then, yeah, we're going to go from there, you feel me? Them are the two cars that I want, though. I kind of want to, like, I don't know. I might say this for a different video to talk to y'all about it. For real, for real. I think that's what I'm going to do. I ain't going to tell y'all now. But yeah, y'all know I want that Hellcat. A wide body, red eye, jailbreak. You feel me? Come on. Why is y'all in the fast lane not trying to go fast? Like, what's going on? What y'all got going, man? Red lights and shit. I really need to get over, but I might get stuck. No kidding. Bad car. Bro, what's up? Everybody trying to chill and shit today. Like, what's going on? Big ass boat in the way. RV. Come on, Handy. Try to open this bitch up one more time for y'all. Oh. What is she doing? Move. Bro, what are you doing? What the fuck? Saudi was literally just in the way.
If they ever speak on bro, they better watch they tone. Niggas better keep they tool and play this shit cool. Look, brand AR pistol won't never divorce. And it's 40 on my back into my diamond.
That's it.
I'm knowing we watching no.
Hope y'all enjoyed that POV. It's your boy MoparTe, and I love y'all, man. Hey, again, like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. We almost at 500 subs, man. Let's go, bro. I love y'all. Y'all know what to do. Peace. To the next one. Hurt me. I love y'all. Peace out. I'll see ya.